How to fix KB5083631 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue that occurs when installing the preview cumulative update. First thing first, try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Here you will find multiple files. Find out the file compatible with your system. For this, first of all, check your system type. Click on Start. Go to Settings. Click on System. About. Here is System type. 64-bit operating system, x64-based processor. This is the system type of my computer. Check yours and find out the file here. For version 25H2 x64-based systems, this is the file compatible with my system. Once found, click on the respective download button. Look for the link having KB5083631 and click on it. Let the MSC file download. Once download is completed, click on the downloaded file. Click on More Info and select Run Anyway. Preparing the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. After preparing the installation, your computer will restart a couple of times and the preview update will be installed. If the issue still persists, fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now for this option. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded. Let the download complete and restart your computer after the downloading. Then try to install this update. If any problem still occurs, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these command lines. These are the commands to reset Windows Update components. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and then restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If you are still unable to install the update, then modify services. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for Windows Update service, right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, select automatic here from the drop down. If the service is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer service. Right click on this service, select Properties, Change the startup type to automatic and click on start if service is stopped. Click on apply, click on OK. Now look for the cryptographic services. Here is cryptographic services. Right click on this service, select properties. The startup type is already automatic here and the service is running, so nothing is needed. Close the services window and then try to install the update. If any of the methods doesn't work, this means there might be corrupted system files on your computer. To deal with the corrupted system files, run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, click on yes, again go to the video description. These are the system files checkers and DISM restore health commands. Run these commands one by one. Copy the SFC scan now command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. After KB5083631 is downloaded, restart your computer. The problem should be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.